PowCube very kindly sent me this cute little egg cracker. So let's try it out for the first time and see how it works. So this is food grade silicone. They do offer different colors. I think kids would think this is really cute, but let's see how it's gonna work. So this spray here. So I have 1 large egg here. I'm just gonna set it in here. I'm gonna close this so that way it's sealed on the sides. And I think I just push this in. Now let's flip it, and you could do this over a bowl. We're just gonna make an egg over easy, hopefully. There we go. Look at that. All right, so now your shell is in here, and let's see if we can easily take it out. Yes. All right, that's nice. Makes it less messy. You're not cracking it and getting your pan all gunky on the side. And then I think this would be really great too for little kids. If you're baking, that would keep them quite entertained, and they could do it on the side of the bowl.